Buddhadhamma, Section 3, The Process of Life, Chapter 5, The Law of Kamma, page 448. Here, Gautama Buddha quotes various verses of previous rishis and bodhisattvas and assimilates them into the Tipitaka from the Pali Canon. These verses may be considered a clear and concise description of Buddhist principles of Kamma. Note how the first pair of verses apply biological laws, bija niyama, for comparison. This observation helps one to distinguish between the law of kamma and the conventional laws. According to the laws of botany and fruits, is directly related to the seed. If one plants tamarind, one gets tamarind. If one plants grapes, one gets grapes. If one plants cabbage, one gets cabbage. There is no reference here to conventional laws. There is no mentioning of planting tamarinds and getting money, or planting cabbages and making a healthy profit. These conditions apply to another stage of the process. There is a relationship between biological laws and conventional laws. If one has planted grapes, and it happens that the market that year demands grapes, one can sell them at a good price and get rich. On another occasion, however, one may grow watermelons, but many other people do so as well, until the fruit floods the market and the price drops. That year, one loses money. Apart from ordinary market forces, there are many other factors involved, like middlemen who force the price down. The important issue here, however, is to recognize the stability and certainty of biological laws and to discern both the distinction and the relationship between biological laws and conventional laws, bija niyama and kamma niyama. This comparison also applies to the law of kamma, which also often confuse the conventional laws by saying do good, receive good, in the sense that by doing good, one will become rich or to get a promotion. Although these results are likely, they do not always occur. It is like saying planting mangoes is profitable. Planting coconuts makes you rich. Or the planting custard apples makes you poor, which may not be true. But the sort of statement skips some stages in the process. It is not, though, a description of the truth. It is not a thorough description of the truth. It may be accepted for political speech, but it is, if one wishes to accurately portray the truth, one needs to distinguish the various causes and conditions in the order of sequence.